morning, students. This is Srikanth sir, your math teacher. Last class we have discussed integers, continuation of integers. Today's our few topics are integer additional rules, integer subtraction rules. So we'll represent numbers on number line and so on. We'll discuss here because I want to stress on these basics. Most of the students in 8th, 9th and 10th also, they are doing the mistakes. How the integers should add here, how the integers should subtract. So biggest problem for them. So I want to stress on the basics. See here, integer addition rules here. Rule 1. See here, if the signs are the same, pretend the signs are not there, add the numbers and then put the sign of the addends in front of your answer. So very clearly, please understand what do you mean by this sentence. Suppose if the signs are same, suppose 9 plus 5. If any sign is not there in front of 9, that is considered to be positive. So 5 is also a positive. 9 plus 5 equal to 14. This type of addition every student will do. What about if two negative numbers are added? See here, minus 9 plus minus 5 equal to minus 14. See here, don't do blindly addition of these two negative numbers. Just understand the sentence. See here, what I said, add the numbers and then put the sign of addends in front of your answers. See here, first don't consider negative value, don't consider negative value of 9, don't consider negative value of 5. See here, just add first 9 plus 5, how much? 14. Both are having what sign here? Common sign, that is negative. Put that negative in front of answer. That is what he is trying to say. See here, then put the add the numbers and then put the sign of the addends. What are the addends here? 9 and 5. Both are having which sign? Negative sign. Put negative sign in front of your answer. Addends. What are the addends we are adding? That is 9 and 5. What are the signs we have for addends? That is 2. Both are having negative. So that's why first to do addition. 9 plus 5, how much? 14. Then both addends have which type of sign here? Negative, negative. Put negative common sign in front of your answer. I hope you understood this integer addition rules. Very, very important. The next slide, I gave some examples here. Understand one or two problems. Remaining problems you have to do in your notebook without seeing these answers. I gave you answers also. So once you note down all of the left side addends here in your notebook, a resultant you should not write here. Try it in your home and send it back. Whether you get resultant correct or not, I'll check it out. So otherwise you will also check according to my answers. Okay, so solve all these problems. This is your homework for you. See here, one more integer addition rules here. Second rule, rule 1 is finished. Rule 2. Now see here, if the signs are different, pretend the signs are not there. Pretend the signs in the sense you should not imagine and write the answer anything. So do proper rules. Do with the proper rules. See here, subtract the smaller number from the larger one and put the sign of the one with the larger absolute value in front of your answer. So we'll come to know that is what do you mean by absolute value. So first of all, understand what sentence is given in rule 2 here. Suppose, see here, minus 9 is adding to plus 5. So minus 9 I said, plus 5 I said, both are addition. So both we are doing as a addition. So here two different signs are there. You should not imagine and write any value here. That's why the people will do the mistake here. See here, first rule is what here. Try to understand the rule. You will never do any mistake in your whole life. See here, take a bigger number compared to 9 and 5, which is bigger number? 9. So first write 9. See here, see the second line. First write here 9 second line, see here. So bigger number is 9, no? Smaller number is what here? 5. Just subtract here smaller number from the larger number. Larger number is 9 minus 5, 4. See here. Put the sign of 1 with the larger absolute value. See here. Larger value is what here? 9. Having which type of sign? Negative. That's why put negative value in the resultant in front of your answer or resultant, we can say. So always remember here, if two different signs are there, what we need to do here? First, forget about signs here. Biggest number minus smaller number. Then resultant you'll get. Which number is bigger here? Okay, 9. 9 is having which type of sign? Negative. So put negative value in the resultant. Next, try these problems. See here, even though I wrote here resultant, answer, that is your answer. So write all the left side questions here, leave the resultant and do the homework without seeing these answers. After getting the answers, please verify your answers. I hope you will write all these questions like a test for you people according to based on rule 2. Last time we already know that how to add the integers on a number line. So see here what I given here. See here, plus 3 added to minus 5. So plus 3 means you should start your journey from the 0. Plus 3 means you should move towards right side, that is 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So next again minus 5 we are adding. Minus 5 means minus is there, so you should move towards left direction. I showed arrow marks also, please carefully see here. So minus 5 means towards next leftward direction. So right now plus 3 means you are there at 3. You have to move left side. How many positions? 5. Because of negative you should move left side direction. Positive means right side direction. See, you're right now you are there at 3. Should move up to 5 places towards left because 5 is a negative. 3 to 2, 1. 2 to 1, 2. 1 to 0, 3. 0 to minus 1, 4. Minus 1 to 2, minus 2, that is 5. So now you are at minus 2. That's why your resultant is also minus 2. So see here, we are adding the positive numbers, both the negative numbers, or one positive and negative number by rule 1 and rule 2. Here we are adding integers by using number line. See here, one more we'll do. See here, plus 6 added to minus 4. So plus 6 added to minus 4 in the sense, see here, first plus 6 means 0 to plus 6. Move towards rightward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you are there at 6 and adding to minus 4. Again you should come back to 4 positions because 4 is a negative value. Now you are there at 6. 6 to 5, 1. 5 to 4, 2. See here. 4 to 3 here, 3. 3 to 2 here, 4 completed. Now you are at 2. So 2 is a positive only by seeing your number line. That's why your answer is here plus 2. See here, one more. One way to add integers is with a number line. See here, plus 3. Plus 3 adding with minus 7. Plus 3 means first you will start with 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Again adding with negative number. Negative number means you should move towards left direction. How many positions? 7 times. So see here. So 3 to 2, 1. 2 to 1, 2. 1 to 0, 3. 0 to minus 1, 4. Minus 1 to minus 2, 5. See here. Next, minus 2 to minus 3, 6. Minus 3 to minus 4, 7. Stop. So what is your resultant here? Minus 4. So I hope you understood. So we'll continue next class. Do the homework, what I gave today, understand, and let me know if any doubts or queries are there. Please ask me. Thank you students. Thank you so much.